Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I have an exciting product review for you all. We'll be talking about a revolutionary 3-in-1 car seat that not only ensures the safety of your child but also contributes to a happier planet. Yes, you heard it right. This car seat is a part of the Happy Planet collection, featuring fabrics made with recycled materials. So, let's dive into the details and find out why this car seat is a must-have for every parent. First and foremost, let's talk about the versatility of this 3-in-1 car seat. It is designed to grow with your child, accommodating their needs from infancy to their early childhood. In the rear-facing position, it can safely hold infants weighing 5 to 40 pounds. As your child grows, you can easily switch to the forward-facing position with a harness, suitable for children weighing 22 to 65 pounds. And finally, when your child is ready, the car seat can be transformed into a forward-facing booster, accommodating children weighing 40 to 100 pounds. Now, let's talk about the Happy Planet collection. This collection is all about sustainability and making a positive impact on our environment. The fabrics used in this car seat are made with recycled materials. One of the standout features of this car seat is its slim and space-saving design. It is designed to be a backseat space savior, allowing you to comfortably accommodate other passengers or belongings without compromising on safety. Now, let's talk about convenience. This car seat is equipped with a no-rethread harness system, making it incredibly easy to adjust the harness as your child grows. Additionally, the one-hand, 6-position headrest and harness adjust together, ensuring a perfect fit for your child at every stage. Installation is a breeze with the 6-position recline feature. Whether you are installing it rear-facing or forward-facing, this car seat offers 3 different recline positions for each, allowing you to find the right angle for a secure and comfortable installation. And that's a wrap on our review of this incredible 3-in-1 car seat. With its versatility, sustainability, slim design, and convenient features, it truly stands out in the market. If you're a parent looking for a car seat that grows with your child and has a positive impact on the environment, then this is the perfect choice for you. Don't forget to check out the link in the description box below to get your hands on this amazing car seat. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more product reviews and parenting tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.